Rutabaga roots are eaten as human food in a variety of ways, and the leaves can be eaten as a leaf vegetable. The roots and tops are also used for livestock, either fed directly in the winter or foraged in the field during the other seasons. Benefits: Rutabaga is a rich source of antioxidants and glucosinates, which assist in preventing chronic health conditions. It is also a good source of roughage. Eating rutabaga can help in regulating bowel movements and help in maintaining the gut microbiota. Rutabaga is low in calories, hence it can help with weight loss. Rutabaga is high in potassium, which is very essential in keeping the nervous system and muscles working properly. It is also a good source of vitamin C, which is very essential in boosting the immune system. Rutabaga is effective in reducing the risk of cancer. Rutabaga contains considerable amounts of glucosinolates, which are antioxidant compounds known to reduce the growth of cancerous tumors in the body and reduce inflammation. Also, rutabaga is an excellent source of antioxidants such as vitamin E and C, which are important to help maintain a health cell. Rutabaga helps in prevent premature aging. Rutabaga is a valuable source of antioxidants that can help prevent premature aging. These antioxidants are important to reduce inflammation, neutralize free radicals in the skin caused by pollution and ultraviolet light, and synthesis of collagen. Rutabaga is effective to bowel health. Rutabaga is high in fiber, especially in insoluble fiber that helps promote regularity and adds bulk to stool. Each serving of rutabaga provides around 12% of the daily requirement of fiber. Rutabaga is a promising functional food with in vitro studies indicating high antioxidant activity, inhibition of cancer cell growth, and cancer cell apoptosis due to its glucosinolates, phenolics, and flavonoids. Possible side effects: Rutabaga is rich in progoitrin, which is a glucosinolate that, when consumed in high amounts, and is accompanied by low iodine intake, it can interfere with proper thyroid function, mostly in individuals with pre-existing thyroid problems. Individuals that are allergic to turnips, cabbage, spinach, or other cruciferous vegetable should consult with their healthcare practitioner before rutabaga consumption. Individuals sensitive to raffinose consumption should consume preferably steamed rutabaga to avoid bloating and gas. Rutabaga can cause some discomfort if the consumer has irritable bowel syndrome and allergies. Hence, individuals who have these conditions should consult their healthcare practitioners before adding rutabaga to the diet. Quantity recommendations: Rutabaga should be consumed in moderation. One serving, around 1 cup, is recommended especially for individuals on a low-calorie diet. One large rutabaga contains about 278 calories. As rutabaga is a root vegetable, its consumption must be part of the 6 daily serving indicated for this food group. One serving, 100 g a day, is enough if it is associated with a balanced, varied, and health diet. I suggest including it on the menu 2 to 3 times a week. Rutabaga can be eaten raw, boiled, oven-cooked, or added in a soup, while offering a sweet and bitter flavor. One medium rutabaga, 386 grams, can be consumed on a daily basis by healthy individuals in lunch or dinner time.